Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I'm presenting the Economics Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, mutual fund push debt scheme before the tax deadline. Next, PSB to summit plan to deal with key biz risk. Next, India multi-decade growth opportunity. Bains Prajat Ghosh. Next, PVR Inox merger was only way to strengthen balance sheet. Next, online gaming cause loud government move to implement tedious rules from April 1. Next, OneWeb expects all clearance in time for India launch by July. Next, SBI may not have invested in Yes without it 81 right of RBI to Supreme Court. Next, Manipal buys Kolkata's AMRI for rupees 2400 crore. Next, Medi Assist set to acquire Raksha Insurance TPA. Next, Adani Group Reliance pull out of race for SKS power project. Next, submit nominee info or option out by March 31st. Next, Priyanka leads Congress protest has Rahul disqualified. Next, India summons Canadian envoy on security breach. Then I comes to page number 2 in pure politics section that Priyanka takes center stage has Congress protest disqualification of Rahul. Next, Congress stare display of arrogance BJP. Next, BJP OMC MPs to meet in Delhi on Wednesday. Next, Congress BJP plot perception war in poll bond states. Next, in warning of Rahul, Uddhav says don't insult Saukar. Next, what bigger than OBC like me being CM Chris Gehlot. Next, Lok Sabha update shows Wayanad versus vacant seat. Next, opposition MPs must resign. RJD spoken person. Next, UP police takes Atiq Ahmed to Prayagraj from Gujarat. Next, in policy rethink, Akhilesh hints at field candidate in Amethi Raebareli. Next, failure of states to release funds block scholarship of 6.6 m as Supreme Courts. On page number 4 in pure politics section of that, hundreds of NGOs FCRA licenses no longer valid now. Next, India summons Canadian envoy over activities of Sikh radicals. Next, Indian journalists attacked in Washington. Next, will restore 4% quota for Muslim in Karnataka Congress. Next, reservation based on religion not constitutionally valid, says Shah. Next, KCR's VRS to contest Zilla Parishad polls in Maharashtra. Next, President Murmu to begin two-day Bengal tour today. Then I comes to page number 5 in brand and company section of that Manipal to pay rupees 2400 crore to buy Imami's AMRI hospital. Next, high prices dents spending on daily essential products. Next, Medi Assist set to acquire Raksha Insurance TPA in expansion push. Next, phones priced at around rupees 50,000 may speed up 5G push. Next, Akasha will fly its first international flight before year end. Next, Ashwini Vaishnav and Rajiv Chandrasekhar to address India Digital Fest. Next, Crompton grieves butterfly set to merge. Next, AI incident, DGCA seeks detail from Nepal officials. Then I comes to page number 6 in companies section under that merger was the best way to make balance sheet stronger. Bijli. Next, final Supreme Court order by August. On page number 7 in Economic Market Time, under that, SBI may not have agreed to invest in Yes without ATI write off. RBI tells Supreme Court. Next, Nifty to remain under pressure, support at 16,800. Next, nominate or option out for fin assets by March 31st. Next, FPI index net short positions at 5-year high on growing uncertainties in US. On page number 8 in smart investing section under that, nominate or option out for fin assets by March 31st. Next, SBI sells loan of Atibir Industries to CFM ARC. Next, Adani Group Reliance pull out of race to acquire SKS Power Generation. Next, FBI invested rupees 7,200 crore in equity so far in March. Next, crisis response playbook. Next, SBI may not have agreed to invest in Yes Bank. Next, close to peak of rate cycle. Next, FPI index shot at 5-year high. Then I comes to page number 9 in economic section. Under that, FinMin sees steady GSEC shields hike in borrowings target unlikely. Next, India and a multi-decade growth opportunity. Bains Prajat Ghosh. Next, plans for FY24 auction of 6 to 7 multi-modal logistic parks. Next, highways will match US by 2024, says Gadkari. Next, the pension conundrum. Next, banking stress under watch for credit crunch Fed. Then I comes to page number 10 in the added page section that mutual fund FD symmetry, a leg up for tax parity. Next, e-vroom now for the infra. Next, why so CNEOS? Cause it may be about ET. Next, services and their returns. Next, change diet with season. Next, so what's your SOCO rating? Next, Intel Inside, RIP, Gordon Moore. Next, a patently good idea to speed 6G. Next, collateral gain cannot be ignored. Next, trademarks of a reimagination. On page number 11 in economic penatures section under that, are allergies making you tired? Next, White House paintings that are at the heart of a family dispute. Next, people are at their best after a siesta. Next, after face recognition dispute, billionaire is embroiled in a new feud. Next, the jewelry that got an ex-president in trouble. Next, Nikhat Lovelina win gold. Next, Mumbai Indians win inaugural WPL title. Next, Satvik Chirag wins Swiss Open men's double title. Next, Russian anthem played incorrectly at Women's Boxing World Championship. Next, Bairstow out of IPL. Punjab named short as replacement. On page number 12 in disruption section that cloud services see a price war has a startups uh, renegotiated deals. Next, e-gaming costs say TDS will cut ROS complaints load. Next, MS Bing gets AI generate stories now. Next, Snap buys 3D scanning studio third. Next, Vary IT Cosme Helway hiring of engineering from April high experts. Next, Pocket FM eyes more global forays. Next, Elon Musk tired to take over OpenAI in 2018 but failed. Next, WhatsApp to bring our new audio chats. Next, Paytm gets more time to refile PA license application. Next, OneWeb to have all approvals in time for July India launch. On page number 15 in that Reliance Cap lenders fear recovery below liquidation value. Next, FinMin sees a steady yields on government securities in FY24. Next, plan to bid out 6 to 7 multiple model parks in next financial year. Next, FPI's net bearish bets on index future at a 5-year high. On page number 16 in around the world section of that Valley National first citizen in race for SPB. Next, IMF chief urges China to rebalance economy towards consumption. Next, will continue to open up, says Vice Premier. Next, employee stock options value Twitter at $20 billion. Next, badge of protest. Next, combative Trump holds first campaign rally. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.